Hey everyone! Today, I'm here to share a neat trick for all my fellow privacy advocates out there. If you're like me and want to keep your phone number private while enjoying services like Zomato, stick around, because I'm going to walk you through how to bypass phone verification with something as simple as a disposable number. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about Zomato. It's a whopping 4.2 on the Google Store and a go-to for anyone looking to discover new food joints or expand their restaurant business. But, yep, there's always a but, they require a phone number for verification when you sign up. For those of us concerned about privacy, this can be a bit of a snag. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can actually bypass this requirement using a disposable phone number. And no, it's not as complicated as it sounds. I use a service called MobileSMS.io, and it's pretty straightforward. Here's how it works. First, download and open Zomato, hit that sign up button, and when it asks for your phone number, pause there. Head over to MobileSMS.io, choose a disposable number that matches your location, and use that number in the Zomato sign-up form. Within moments, you'll receive a verification code sent to that temporary number. Punch that code back in Zomato, and boom, you're in. What's great is that this isn't just a one-trick pony. These temporary numbers can be used for various online registrations, keeping your actual phone number out of the public sphere and reducing spam. And before you ask, yes, it's completely legal and secure. These numbers are meant for single use and last just long enough to get you through any verification process like setting up a Zomato account. So not only is it quick and easy, but it also lets you enjoy all the tasty options on Zomato without handing over your personal info. So there you have it. Setting up a Zomato account without sharing your real phone number is simple, secure, and totally doable. Go ahead, give it a try and enjoy your foodie adventures, hassle-free. And remember, privacy matters and there are always ways to maintain it, even while indulging in the convenience of modern tech. Thanks for watching and stay savvy, my friends.